I was slightly... Okay, I'm coming! Oh, well, this place looks lovely. And by lovely, I mean, wow, they ripped off Gondor's capital from Minas
Whoa.
Tirith. Oh, look at it. See, these are the three spirits. Wait, come over here, Chica. I'm going to ask you these questions.
Whoa.
Do you know what these three spiritual stones are called?
Yeah! We use them all the time!
Okay, what is it called?
Oh, well, the one on the left is called Skittle. The one in the middle, that one's called Tic Tac. The one on the right, I don't know what that is. It looks like boogers.
Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of medical advice from me to you absolute nerd. If your boogers are blue and look metallic, I think you might actually have a physical condition. You need to see a doctor immediately.
No!
Because you're literally sneezing out gems.
Well, maybe I'm just worth a lot of money.